second more delicate phase is to make sure that we have a good alignment between the crémaillère. So now for ensuring the perfect verticality and the perfect alignment between the different crémaillères, I'm putting one which I'm not using. I'm checking that it's well aligned, and then I make a reference for the place of the top of the next one. And it's here. Okay. Now a little difficulty. It is that my marker is too thick, and for this I will use the poinçon. It's a pity I forgot how to say in English, despite my video about the international vocabulary for tools. So it's here. And now I'm taking this one and I will have a little hole which is here, and I'm marking it with a red, otherwise I won't be able to see it. So it's here. No, it's not here. It is here. This is the place where I should be drilling. Okay, here I should have put it more like this. It's not exact at the centimeter, because here the brick is full, because it's the side of the brick. I'm putting the butt. Checking the verticality, which is here. So I'm tightening the screw. And now it's vertical. I'm taking the small drill. I'm just checking again that it's still perfectly vertical. It is the case. Ok. Là. L'autre est là. Now for the very last one, I don't have any spare, so I will take this one. This is a very reliable ruler. Be sure that you have all the tools you need around, otherwise it's complicated because you only have two hands. Okay. Now comes the nice moment of this operation, is that we start to put these things here. And here I decided to put first on the top quite long ones. And the more it goes, the less it's long. That's it, my friends. This is the end of the video about how to put the preparation for a shelf. In the next video I will show you how I'm using old boards in terms of shelves, which means that the only cost I had for this shelf was this and these ones, meaning quite cheap compared to the capacity of storage that we will reach. And there's that one thing you have to be very careful about, is as long as the shelves are not fixed here, be careful with these here, because you don't see them and it's very easy for you to lose an eye. So be very careful when you're not putting the shelves on it. Best is to remove all of them except the ones which are high, which are not dangerous. So I hope that this video has been useful to you and that you liked it. If it's the case, leave me a like or subscribe to the channel. Otherwise, see you soon on Happy Hour TV 1.